Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add location to Apple Maps. And let's get started by open Apple Maps application. So we have few different options how to do this. The first one, we have these presets and we can add places here. Let's say I want to add my home, I click on it, then I need to write my location. And I have my home location. Also you can click at the add, select one of the pinned location or write a new one. For example, like this. We can select the type, I can make it my second home and then add it. We can do this also with the work, school or public transport. Also, we can add it at the map, so let's say I want to add this location. I click on it, then I can pin it. Or we can click at the some building and also or add location or just pin it. That's it. Then you can find your saved places. If you click at the profile icon, go to the places. We have pinned, saved, guides, roads. So you can also use these lines to find your locations. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!